You're doing it wrong. Come on in, welcome to my home. Okay, let me explain this video. This video is to tell you that, guess what? You're not doing it wrong. If you've come to this channel and you want to see me tell you that you are doing things wrong, you are really on the wrong channel. On this channel, I will show you how I do things. I will show you recipes that I've tested, recipes that I actually use, and one of the really important things that I want to tell you is the reason my pictures aren't so perfectly wonderful, fantastic, is because I actually have to eat that food. The food that you are seeing is food that I'm going to eat, either later on in the day, later on in the week. Yeah, and a lot of times to get the best food photography, you have food that's going to be sitting out for hours, or you have to do strange things to make it look pretty. What you see is what you get. When I give you an idea, the idea that I give you is what I've actually done. These are all based on my experience and how I do things. Are they perfect? Maybe not. I would say no, they're not perfect, because I'm not an expert in everything. I'm giving you my life experience and what works for me. And what works for me might not work for you whatsoever. So the next time you read a headline that says you're doing it all wrong, you might not be. It might just be this is a better way, which is great. It might actually be that this is a worse way and it's never going to work. Or my favorite things are recipes that do not work whatsoever. Like I said, every recipe that I do on here, I've tested this multiple times. This is how I work it through. Some of the things which I do here, it's the first time that I've ever done it. All right, that's a total lie. It's not the first time that I've ever done it. But, I mean, there are some things on here that I haven't done that many times. But I always make sure that every recipe that I do can be done. There was actually one recipe that I tested out that I myself had never done. I actually did this recipe for you guys for the first time myself. Instead, what I did is I had somebody walk it through with me, just giving them instructions. Nothing else. I did not touch anything, did not do anything. I just gave them the instructions that I would give you. All of these recipes will work. All of my cleaning ideas, all of my decorations, all that stuff, these are things that I actually live with, and that's a really important part. The decorations that you see, all that stuff, I actually live here. This is my house. This is not a set. This part of it does get torn down every week, well, every time I finish cleaning up, but the rest of it, I really, truly live with. So the decorating ideas that I give you are things that you can live with. They're also things that you can easily do. One of the things that you'll see me do a lot of is use the same kind of ingredients. If I buy something, I'm not going to just have you buy it one time and then never use it again. No, what would be the purpose in that? I don't have that kind of money, do you? I will use the ingredients over and over again, because a lot of people ask me why I use raw sugar. It's simply because it's the middle ground between white sugar and brown sugar, and I'm not spending the extra money. Could you change the taste of your cookies by using white sugar and brown sugar? Yes, you can. But I'm really to the point where I'm like happy. I'm happy with that middle ground. So yeah, this is why I do this. This channel is all about making sure that you see what I am doing and that I'm actually doing things that work for me. And hopefully you're going to take some of these ideas and make them work for you. Feel free to change up any recipes, any ideas, and then also feel free to let me know how you did it, because I would love to know how you did that. Well, what do you think about that? Let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.